Hi, I'm Ryan Turland, a Senior Technical Sales Support Specialist at RenewAire. Today, I'm in the lab demonstrating how to troubleshoot when the c.pCOe expansion module goes offline. When functioning properly, the c.pCOe controller will have a flashing green light as seen here. When the c.pCOe controller is not functioning properly, the controller will go offline and it will send out an alarm notification. There are 4 scenarios that cause this alarm. 1. The unit is set to premium rather than enhanced. 2. The wiring between the two is incorrect. 3. The dip switches are in the wrong position. Or 4. The expansion module has failed. Let's start with scenario 1. If your unit does not have the expansion module and only the main controller, then the control setting is set to premium and needs to be changed to enhanced. To do so, you will first hit the bullseye button, enter passcode 1000, then go down to Unit, Configuration, hit the Enter key. Now with a flashing square on in premium, change it to enhanced. Then hit the back arrow to exit out and cycle power to clear this alarm. Next is scenario 2, checking the wiring. First, we want to make sure that we are landed on the J6 of the expansion module and J4 of the main controller. Next, make sure these 2 connections are pushed into the plug firmly. Then check the continuity between your positive terminals and negative terminals to make sure that we have no broken wires. If that's good, then the wiring is in working order. Scenario 3 calls for inspecting the dip switches. From left to right, the dip switches should be forward, back, forward, back, forward, 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 forward. If you find that the dip switches are not in this position, then push all the dip switches forward. Once they are all forward, you will cycle power. With the power restored, we will then set the dip switches forward, back, forward, back. Once the dip switches are reset, we will cycle power again. This should clear your alarm. Finally, if the first 3 testing procedures do not clear the c.pCOe alarm, then it is likely that the expansion module will need to be replaced. If you see a red light coming from inside the controller, that will confirm that the expansion module has failed. Reach out to either the wholesaler where the controller was purchased or contact RenewAire's technical sales support team at renewaire.com/support. We can tell you where to find replacement parts.